We're reviewing a pendant light by VIANIS, and it's going to be hung over here. And dusk to dawn, show you what it looks like out of the box. The hardware and the face cover that you place on top. You have your rope, or it's called the cord, and you simply lift up and out your light. If you take a look at the light, it's got like a gold accent on black all around. You're going to supply your own 100 watt maximum bulb. Tempered glass is open, so you put the bulb inside, and you have a eye hook that you're going to lock down. This is made of lightweight alloy aluminum, or aluminium as we call it. And we're going to hang up a bracket, and we're going to put the chain on. The chain is given 48 inches plus, and you're going to grab the end with the ground and the leads, and you're going to start at one end, and you're going to simply dress it. Put on your bracket and place on your nuts and washers. Lock down. For our demonstration purposes, we allowed the fixture to hang just a little high enough so we can get to the bulb, change out, and show you what it looks like in the evening hours lit up on a switch. Pendant lights, they do swing in the wind, reflective, depending on the bulbs you like, warm to cool Kelvin, 100 watt maximum. The pendant is rust resistant, weather resistant, IP rated, and the bulb's in through the bottom that is open, and we'll look at it at nighttime. The pendant light lit up. Put a maximum bulb of 100 watts in, it'll do a nice job. Hang it outside, underneath, anywhere imaginable. If you're looking for a pendant light that is decorative in style and design, this product may be something you are after. Check online for further details about your product. I hope you enjoy this product if this is something that you are looking for.